Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Dryer Door Hinge. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Dryer Door Hinge. The door hinge is what the door rides on when you open and close it. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door is not opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the screws to take the hinge out. There's 4 screws, but we're only going to loosen the upper ones and remove the lower ones. We're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take them out. Once you have the screws out, you can lift up on the door and pull it off. To get the door hinge off, we're going to set it on the table. Make sure you put a towel down to make sure nothing gets scratched. And then depending upon which hinge you're going to change, you want to take out either this screw or this screw on this side. But in order to open the door up enough, we're going to have to, if you're changing out this hinge, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold this hinge in. Once you have the screws out, we're going to split the door open enough just to get the door hinge out. So we're going to close it so it's in this position. And then pull on the 2 halves of the door. You don't want to pull very hard, just enough to open it so we can get this out. Once you have it out, you can pull it off the door. Here's the old dryer door hinge next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door hinge in, we're just going to carefully lift up on the inner door and line it up and put it in place. Then you want to swing it up into that same position we had it before so we can put the screws in. Once you have it in place, we can use the Phillips screwdriver and put the screws in. The holes aren't lined up. You may have to push down on the door a little bit to get it to go in. Once you have the door put back together, we can put it on the dryer. To put the door back on, you just have to line up the upper screws and set it into place. Once you have it mounted on the screws, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the door back on, you close it, plug the dryer back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.